Sick and tired of waiting and staring at your overflowing waste bins that need to be emptied? It costs the Brisbane City Council $150 to empty a single bin without consideration of whether it is underfilled, full, or overflowing with rubbish. If households want to request their bin to be emptied outside their scheduled collection date, then it will cost them an additional fee of $15.80. This requires the council to allocate additional resources to complete the request, which is a waste of council resources, causing inconveniences and inefficiency. Now imagine if this present scenario had a solution that could resolve this problem. Now snap back to reality because you no longer need to imagine. The solution to these many issues is a new waste management system for Brisbane residents. This new waste management system will introduce smart council bins with a supporting application. The new system will not only optimize waste collection, but emphasize on recycling and sustainability. Introducing the new smart council bins that are modular in design. This smart bin has an infrared sensor fitted below the bin edge and a strain gauge at the bottom of the bin. For it to operate these sensors, the smart bin has a solar panel embedded on the bin lid to harness renewable energy from the sun, and simultaneously stores energy to a battery bank located underneath the bin lid, which allows the bin to be operational when solar energy is unavailable, such as at night or in an overcast day. This smart bin is truly smart, as how it works is simple and efficient. This is because the smart bin will notify the local council to schedule a waste collection on its own. This will be achieved when the bin reaches a load capacity or when an infrared sensor is constantly broken. The smart bins will also run with software that will optimize waste collection routes based on the traffic conditions to maximize efficiency. By optimizing routes, bins will not be emptied on a weekly basis, and instead will be emptied when required. This can save fuel, labor, council resources, and finally reduces carbon emissions. Instead of a bin being brought out weekly, the supporting waste management application will notify the residents through Wi-Fi connection when necessary. The supporting application to the bins is a waste management application that will allow residents to monitor waste usage and management and encourage them to manage waste more efficiently. A platform will also be provided for residents to trade waste or unwanted appliances to promote recycling and reusing to minimize waste production. The Smart Bin initiative is going to be released in stages across a large period. The first stage to roll out will be to introduce the sensor bins to the public and to begin collection of rubbish using the indicated parameters. The second stage will be to introduce the platform that will allow residents to trade their unwanted appliances. When the Smart Bin is brought into the community, the data will be tracked to allow for data analysis after each stage to reach maximum optimization. This solution will also be highly beneficial to the community by reducing costs of rubbish collection and improving the mood of all residents of Brisbane. This project is considered in large scale on a long-term basis and can be used to monitor the amount of rubbish that is being generated in the community. By monitoring the amount of rubbish that is created, the government will be able to estimate how much landfill will be created and can be used for many other projects in the future. The current scheduled waste collection process is expensive and is not the long-term solution to a generating waste society with increasing population levels. So, the introduction of smart council bins with a supporting waste management application will undoubtedly change the way waste is managed in Queensland, creating greater efficiency, sustainability, and reducing costs. The Smart Bin is the green way to go.